Add and subtract several numbers. Example 1. If you want to have a fence installed in the area that is 92.5 feet long by 36 feet wide, what is the total length of fence needed to enclose the whole lot? So if we're looking at this, we have 36 here, 36 here, 92.5 here, and 92.5 here. So let's go ahead and add. So we need to go ahead and add 92.5, 92.5, 36, and 36. And then just from previous times, right, we add the zeros just so they're all the same. And then we can go ahead and start adding. Because we lined up our place values, our decimals are all lined up, right? So now we can go ahead, start on the far right. 5 plus 5 plus 0 is 10. So we're going to put the 0 below, carry the 1, bring down the decimal. 1 plus 2 is 5, plus 6 is 11, plus another 6 is 17. So we put a 7 below, carry the 1. 1 plus 9, that's 10, plus 9 is 19, plus 3, plus 3. So actually, I'm going to show you a quick trick. So if you know 1 plus 9 that's 10. Now, this one, 9 plus 3 plus 3, well, all of those together would be 15. So now you can go 10 plus 15. That's a little bit easier to add rather than adding up all these individual ones. So 10 plus 15 is 25. So you put the 25 below. And what do we get? Well, we get 257 feet of fence. Now let's look at another example. Example 2. Solve for the following. So we have -4 minus 21 plus 8. So let's go ahead and just tackle that part first. So -4 minus 21. Well, you can see that we're just becoming more negative. So we can just treat this, right, as both positive. So if we thought as 4 plus 21, well, that would get us to 25. But we're going to keep the sign, so that's negative. So now we have -25 plus 8. So we're going to do the second part. So I'm going to use a trick where I'm going to think of this as positive and this as negative. So if we go 25 then minus 8, but we're going to keep the negative sign. So we're going to just represent that right now as negative. Well, 25 minus 8 is -17 because we're keeping the sign. So we're going to use our trick, right? So we flipped them. As 25 is then positive, 8 is negative. We go ahead and subtract because it's easier to wrap our minds around. And then we're just going to keep the negative sign. So that's -17. Now let's do one final example. Example 3. We're going to solve for the following. So we have 78 minus 29 minus 33. So let's just go ahead and look at this one. So 78 minus 29. Well, let's go ahead and subtract. So we need to go ahead and borrow. So we have 18 now minus 9. So that's 9. 6 minus 2 is 4. So now we have this product, which is 49. Now let's go ahead and now subtract the 33. So now we have 49 minus 33. So we get 9 minus 3, so that's 6. 4 minus 3, that's 1. So we end up with 16.